purpose and impact of the I Am Correct Ideas and Beliefs Award. The purpose of the I Am Correct Ideas and Beliefs Award is to honor those committed to promoting factual understanding and evidence-based practices. By recognizing these efforts, the award aims to inspire others to engage in fact-driven initiatives and highlight the transformative impact of truth on personal and community development. This award can significantly impact by, number 1, showcasing effective research and evidence-based practices. Number 2, encouraging community members to value and pursue factual understanding. Number 3, providing recognition and support to researchers and advocates who often work behind the scenes. And number 4, demonstrating to sponsors the vital role of truth and evidence in community empowerment. Nominate a hero at higherselfawards.org.
Hey Who Community Development.
Real estate investment loans for fix and flips, rehab loans, bridge loans, new construction loans, or a purchase of 1 to 4 unit rentals and multiple family rentals, 75% to 92% loan to value, credit score of 680 or higher. Visit us at TahuCommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228 about our other financial products for your business.
Your business is our priority.